Imagine being able to design splints and bleaching trays without having to rely on the lab. The DentaMile software is super easy to use. Literally, you can design a splint or a bleaching tray in less than 5 minutes. No need to wait for anyone else to design it. I think one thing that separates good clinicians from great clinicians is having everything in-house. This way, every step has quality control done by you. And also, these splints are really nice because they can have hard or soft material. The material itself is also very translucent, so making it even easier to adjust. And if you're not happy with any part of it, guess what? You can redesign it or reprint it. Easy. Think about how much time itself you save, how much money you save on shipping, not having to use another lab, not being at a lab's mercy. This is the future. It's here.